welcome back to the channel. Today's a special day. For almost 20 years I've been working in the shop by myself. Haven't had anybody here with me. Makes for long days sometimes, but today that might change. Put the word out that I was looking for some help, and I got a reply from a guy named Michael. He says he's into cars. We'll see. It's real tough to do what I do sometimes. Not saying I'm pro at it or anything like that, but you got to know certain things, and maybe he does. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm expecting him to show up any moment now. Well, why don't you come on in? So, Michael, what experience do you have working on old cars? Do you have any of your own tools? Have you worked at any other shops in the past? I see. Do you have any experience welding? Try turning the machine on. Look, Michael, I appreciate you stopping by today. I don't think this is going to work out for either of us. Hey man, good luck in the future. Thanks for coming back. Well, that didn't quite work out like I planned. It does happen. I don't know. I haven't had any experience in like hiring people, so I guess that's what I get. Let's hope this doesn't come back to bite me. This guy's a real piece of work. What the heck's he doing? Wow. Crazy dream. I guess I should stop day drinking tomorrow. Oh, that was weird.